Ever miss the door because you were in another room? Or upstairs with the TV on? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for smart, practical home tech that actually makes life easier. The Google Nest Doorbell Pro 3rd generation brings smarter security right to your front door with sharp video, intelligent alerts, and a sleek, modern design. It lets you see visitors, monitor packages, and stay connected to your home from anywhere in real time. With advanced detection and reliable performance, it turns everyday door monitoring into a smarter, safer experience. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Nest Doorbell Pro 3rd generation. Base plate, 20-degree wedge, chime connector, wire connector, hex key, wall screws, wall anchors, spacers, extra security screw, window decal, quick start guide, safety and warranty document, technical specifications. The Google Nest Doorbell 3rd Gen records in 2K resolution at 2048 by 2048 with HDR and a 24/7 live view, delivering clear front door monitoring. It offers a 166-degree diagonal field of view with a 1:1 aspect ratio and 6 times digital zoom, and connects through Wi-Fi 802.11 AC on 2.4 and 5 GHz with Bluetooth Low Energy, while requiring a hardwired 16 to 24 volts AC 10 to 40 volt amperes, 50 to 60 Hz doorbell transformer for power. For night coverage, it features infrared night vision up to 10 feet or 3 meters, using 6 850 nanometer IR LEDs, along with on-device machine learning for intelligent motion and person detection, and full duplex two-way audio with noise cancellation. Video storage includes up to 6 hours of event previews, expandable to 30 to 60 days with Google Home Premium, and it requires the Google Home app with a Google account. It also works with Gemini for Home, Google Assistant, and Alexa, and is built for outdoor use with IP65 weather resistance and an operating range of -4 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, or -20 to 40 degrees Celsius. Product features. The Nest Doorbell Pro delivers stunning 2K resolution with HDR, providing sharp, vibrant, and highly detailed video of your front door. You can check in anytime with 24/7 live streaming, whether you're at home or away. This ensures you never miss a visitor, delivery, or unexpected activity. Advanced on-device machine learning enables the doorbell to intelligently distinguish between people, motion, and other activities. You receive instant alerts for visitors, deliveries, or unexpected movements, while false notifications are minimized. This smart detection keeps your home security proactive, helping you respond quickly to important events. Equipped with 6 infrared LEDs, it offers clear nighttime visibility up to 10 feet, even in total darkness. Whether it's a late-night visitor, a delivery in the dark, or unexpected movement outside your home, the infrared night vision ensures you have reliable coverage and can see every detail when lighting is limited. Full duplex two-way audio with advanced noise cancellation allows seamless communication with visitors at your door. Speak directly to delivery personnel, greet guests, or warn off unwanted visitors. The doorbell integrates with Google Assistant, Gemini for Home, and Alexa, enabling hands-free control, smart home automation, and complete connectivity with your ecosystem. App connection. Download the Google Home app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Make sure your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi network you plan to use for the doorbell. In the Google Home app, tap the plus icon, select Setup Device, then New Devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to find your Nest doorbell. Scan the QR code on the doorbell or box when prompted, and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Once paired, follow the prompts to configure settings like motion detection, notifications, and video preferences. Test the live view and two-way audio to ensure the doorbell is working correctly. After setup, your Nest doorbell is ready to monitor your front door and send alerts directly to your phone. How to install. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker to ensure safe installation. Check your existing doorbell wiring and chime to confirm they are compatible with the Nest doorbell. Before starting, gather the required tools such as a drill, screwdriver, wall anchors, and a level. Remove the chime cover and take a picture of the existing wiring for reference. If a previous chime connector is installed, remove it and use the one included with the doorbell. Follow the instructions in the Google Home app to identify the correct terminals and connect the chime connector wires securely. Tighten the terminal screws and place the connector neatly inside the chime box, making sure it does not touch the chime. Remove the old doorbell and attach the provided wall plate in its place using the included screws and anchors if necessary. Connect the two existing doorbell wires to the terminals on the Nest doorbell. After securing the wiring, snap the doorbell onto the wall plate and make sure it is firmly locked and level. Turn the power back on from the breaker once everything is mounted securely. Open the Google Home app to connect the doorbell to Wi-Fi and configure settings such as notifications and video preferences. Finally, test the chime and check the live video feed to confirm everything is working properly. Safety tips. Avoid extreme weather. Turn off the power before setup. Use recommended power only. Keep receivers dry and ventilated. Clean gently and regularly. Test the doorbell periodically. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build, the Google Nest Doorbell, 3rd Gen, features a sleek, minimalist design made for seamless integration with modern smart homes, with durable, weather-resistant construction. In comparison, the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 3 uses a more traditional doorbell form with a sturdy faceplate design and interchangeable covers, built to handle outdoor conditions. The Nest Doorbell Pro records in 2K HDR resolution with a 166-degree diagonal field of view and a 1:1 aspect ratio, allowing you to see visitors and packages clearly from head to toe. Meanwhile, the Ring Doorbell Pro 3 steps up to Retinal 4K resolution with up to 10 times enhanced zoom and a 140 degrees by 140 degrees field of view, offering detailed footage and improved package visibility. The Nest uses on-device machine learning to intelligently distinguish people and motion with accurate alerts and integrates tightly with Google Home, Google Assistant, and Gemini for Home. Ring's Pro 3 uses 3D motion detection and adaptive night vision and pairs primarily with the Ring app and Amazon Alexa for alerts, automations, and smart home control. Both doorbells are hardwired, requiring existing doorbell wiring for power. Nest connects via Wi-Fi for cloud alerts and live view, while Ring also uses dual-band Wi-Fi, 802.11ax, and may require a minimum internet upload speed for optimal 4K streaming. Pros and cons. The Nest Doorbell Pro offers sharp 2K HDR video with a wide 166-degree field of view, giving you clear head-to-toe coverage of visitors and packages. It features smart AI detection, reliable infrared night vision, and two-way audio with noise cancellation for easy communication. The doorbell integrates seamlessly with the Google Home ecosystem, provides a 24/7 live view, secure encrypted data protection, and a modern weather-resistant design that works well outdoors. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The doorbell does not support 4K recording, and many advanced features require a paid subscription for an extended video history. It also relies heavily on Wi-Fi and the Google Home app, and it works best within the Google ecosystem. Since it's hardwired, installation may require compatible wiring or professional help, and there's no built-in local storage for recordings. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.